How to register for a conference in Canada as a listener. Are you thinking about registering for a conference but need a little help with the process? No problem! I'm here to walk you through the entire registration process on the Global Conference Alliance website. Let's get started! First, visit our website at globalconference.ca. Once you're on the homepage, hover over the Conferences tab and click Upcoming Conferences. A new page will open with all our upcoming conferences. Scroll down to view the list. Click Canada. If you want to filter the conferences, you can easily filter by countries, cities, topics, and months from the sidebar. Click on a conference you wish to attend. On this page, you'll see all the details about the conference, including the early bird registration deadline, paper submission deadline, registration deadline, and conference date. Now, you can register as an author early bird, author regular, or listener. We will show you the listener registration process. Select the ticket type as Listener for your chosen conference, and click Register Now. A new page will open. Here, you'll need to fill in your details. In the sidebar, you'll find options to request a notarized the invitation letter, visa expedite request letter, and accommodation booking letter. If you need either of these, just select the option. Once you've completed the form, it's time to pay the conference registration fee. Choose your preferred payment method and click Place Order. After payment, you'll see a congratulations message confirming that you've successfully registered as a listener for the conference. We look forward to seeing you at one of our conferences soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. Happy conferencing!